Ika nga, to fall in love with yourself is the first secret to happiness. Yan ang mantra ni Mikey Quintos na focus sa fitness, career, at kanyang upcoming architecture licensure exam. May sisingit pa kaya riyan ang dating. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
New hair reveal.
Last week lang nang ginulat ni Mikey Quintos ang fans sa kanyang new look. Bahagi raw ito ng self-love na pinagtutuunan ngayon ni Mikey. Kapansin-pansin din ang mas slim figure niya nang dumalo sa media conference ng pelikulang Saving Cherry na pinagbibidahan ni Barbie Forteza.
Totoo yung sinasabi ng mga tao, when you're single, you have more time to love yourself. And I hope anyone in a relationship, and my plan also, na when I get back into one, hindi magbago yung part na yun. Kaya habang single pa, pinapractice ko na siya.
After 1 year of being single, ready na ba siya ulit umibig?
Hindi pa, Ate Aubrey, hindi pa, but I'm ready to date.
Okay.
I think I'm ready to date. I'm ready to try to open up again.
Bukod sa showbiz career, abala rin si Mikey sa pagpapractice ng kanyang kursong architecture. Matapos ang 10 taong pag-aaral, mas pinili munang magkaroon ng actual experience ni Mikey bago sububok sa architecture licensure exam.
I partnered with my best friend noong college na lisensyadong architect na, and I'm actually in it for experience talaga, more than anything. Para before ako mag-boards, mas may experience ako, baka sure ako kung may experience ako, may mga tanong doon na masasagot ko eh. Alam mo yon. So maybe next year I'll take the boards. Sayang naman yung 10 taon kung di ko ibo-boards, diba?
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.